Alright, this is a super basic LED setup, just so you know how it works. If you need to change like a UART to send the command or anything like that, it's not going to be in this video, so you're going to need to use something else. This is just very basic. So, you go into your configuration tab. This is the same for Betaflight and EmuFlight. I'm using EmuFlight because I think it flies better on this Cinewoop right now. You're going to go and you're going to enable on other features your LED strip. So once that's enabled, you're going to save and reboot. Reconnect, and now you're going to go to your LED strip. So you're going to need to change the wiring mode, and you click that and you start selecting out how many LEDs you have. This says 14, so I have 14 set here. You'll then select the first LED. You'll want to choose what you want to do with it. I chose color, and then you choose a color, and you do this for all of your LEDs. You can do them different colors if you want. You can do them the same color if you want. You can do things like Larson scanner, which causes this to do that. There are, always blink if you want to. There's just a bunch of different options in there. Once you get it on, these are easy to figure out. You can make like cop lights, you can make UFO lights, you can do this crazy stuff. You can set a color modifier. So this is on an aux channel. When you select the aux channel, when you hit that aux channel, basically what it'll do is it'll change the colors of the LEDs. Let me grab my Tango 2. Turn this guy on. And if you use a potentiometer for that, you can go through a lot more colors. But I have it set to a 3-position switch, so it changes slightly. You can't even see it on there, but it goes from teal to blue to like a light green. And that's basically all you need to do to set up LEDs.